So I love pencils. Maybe a little bit too much. Maybe more than you're really supposed to. And a while back I got a box of Blackwings. You can actually see that video there. And that while back was actually 2 years ago. And those pencils lasted me a long time. And I mean, I worked these pencils till the point there was almost nothing left. And I just love them. And recently, I went ahead and I got another box of the same set because I just love these pencils. But then I discovered something else the Blackwing had, and I kind of fell in the trap for it. Yes, you're right. I got a subscription box. And I decided to go ahead and get myself some of these pencils, and can't wait to open this up. Here's my package that I got from Blackwings a couple days ago. I went to the lake and just went ahead and celebrated the 4th of July weekend with family, so I didn't even get time to open this up. So I'm just kind of like really anxious to get this going. And I didn't just order the pencil subscription, I actually went ahead and ordered a new notebook. Because once again, I like to write my ideas down. Sure, I like electronic note-taking, but there's just something that doesn't beat writing with a tool, writing with your hands. Let's open this. Okay, we have a box within a box. So this is the pencil subscription, I'm sure. And wow, that's bigger than I thought. So here's my receipt. And wow, oh, it comes with a pencil too. So this is a bigger notebook than I was expecting, actually. So now to the big part of the video, it's actually the subscription box. So this subscription, from what I've been looking up online, each quarter you get a different pencil from Blackwing, and they celebrate something differently. And this time they're celebrating the golden ratio. So it's Blackwing 55, where we celebrate the golden ratio. Look at this. So I like that the box has the same design as the notebook. So you have that Blackwing pattern. So here we have, look at this, Blackwing volumes. Now that is nice right there. And then we have a little story right here about the story behind this pencil. So what else we have in here? We have a little viewfinder, and that's actually the golden ratio right there. Yeah, so that's pretty neat. And lastly, here we have our collector's pencil. This is so neat. The fact that they're taking this much effort into pencil making is just freaking neat. Finish, Fibonacci sequence, ferruling clip, silver, eraser, pink, imprint, silver, graphite, balance. I love that. June 22, this month. I love that. And I just can't believe that this company is based right here in my hometown. It's just, I'm just so thrilled that they make these quality products. And hey, Blackwing, if you're watching, let's collaborate. We're both in town. So let's open up this bad boy up. So there's 12 limited edition pencils. We can already see the pencil right here. So probably put this right here so we can see it against it. And let's see. So the Blackwing 55, it's a reminder to slow down and savor the beauty around us. And we have their box right there with their logo embossed. So this pencil apparently was designed using, and keep it in mind, the Fibonacci sequence. And that's pretty clever how they used it right there. And this is going by millimeters. So you have 1 millimeter, 1 millimeter, different colors. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. And then respectively 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and 55 millimeters. So you could tell how they did this right here. How they worked on the Fibonacci sequence. They're just nice and matte. I like how the gray is nice and matte. And the silver is really silver right here. That's really neat. So So let's sharpen one of these and let's get working. So let's test out this pencil. Let's just, I don't know, let's test out our, whoop, and I just snapped it. I do have the tendency to write a little bit too harsh, so. Do Blackwing 55, and it writes fairly similarly and soft like the 602, so that's something that I do like. So that's, okay. And it's fairly dark, so this would be a really good pencil to draw with. So I'm excited about that. And I mean, it's pretty dark, and I do like that. This is the regular 602, and it is very, very, very soft. It's so buttery soft. So let's do a little sentence right here. It just writes so smooth. Like, this might be my new writing pencil too. Shoot. That is beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful at writing. And gosh, I can't wait to do some sketching with this. So let's make the jump and let's start sketching. And in good Blackwing fashion, this pencil did not disappoint. It definitely hit a perfect balance when it came to doing the drawing, when it came to having some really light lights and some really dark darks. It really did do justice to the pencil. I was able to just really go in there and just get in exactly what I wanted. I'm so happy I got this subscription. I can't wait to see what the other pencils are going to look like throughout the rest of the year. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you like more of this Blackwing content, just know that there will be more coming down the pipes. And if you want to get into printmaking, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, you know, why not? Just hit the notification button. We'll see you around. Thanks.